So if you're wanting to get some really cool background lights for your videos or for your home, check these out. This is the Ulanzi Compact Magnetic RGB Tube Light. And this tiny little light is packed full of features. So let's check it out.
Mr. Black.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. Don't be a stranger. And Ulanzi has been a great friend of this channel. I'm a huge fan and I have never gotten anything from Ulanzi that I didn't like. Although they did send me a shirt that just seems a little bit too tight. Now, links to everything we're talking about today are in the description, plus a surprise link. All right, let's just go ahead and get into it. You actually get a light, you get some instructions, directions, and you also get the charging cable, which is USB-C. This light is battery powered, but when you have it plugged in and charging, you can also have it on. It has screw threads on both sides for mounting, and the back is fully magnetic, so it's easy just to put it on any metallic surface. When you power it up, you get a white light that you can easily adjust the color temperature and brightness. And you can specifically set it on RGB mode where you can just actually set any color that you want, any color on the spectrum, especially with this little guide here at the top. And then there's the light effect mode with 20 different effects, including my favorites, which is HSI slow and HSI fast. That just gives you a really nice mix of color change. But they also have cop car, ambulance, fire engine, lightning, fireworks, TV. Does that look like I'm watching TV?
Frozen.
Candlelight, faulty bulb, pulsing, and just a lot more. These look great, they're made well, they feel actually really nice in your hands, and just easy to put anywhere. And the price at the time of recording this video is only $30. However, I actually recommend getting a pack of 3 for $85. That way you can have 2 in the back, splashing 2 different colors, and you can have a key light as well. These are fantastic and a great price, and I'll be using these a lot in my videos in the background. But also, I'm a musician and I play gigs. They're really nice to just have in different spots to just kind of add to the vibe because they're small, portable, and you don't have to have them plugged in all the time. So, all right, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. And I do have a whole Ulanzi playlist if you want to check out more cool things that they have over there. Also, I have memberships and the Tech is Hard podcast if you want to hear a more long form talking about tech in the YouTube creator world. It's all fun there. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one. Boom!
Frozen.